everyone, welcome to Learn and Live. Today, we will learn English through a life lesson inspired by Steve Jobs. This lesson is about curiosity and lifelong learning. Let's begin. Life lesson. Stay curious. Curiosity is one of the most important qualities for success. Curious people ask questions. They enjoy learning new things and are not afraid to make mistakes. When you stay curious, every day becomes an opportunity to grow. You don't need to know everything today. What matters is that you keep learning one step at a time. Many successful people spent years learning, practicing, and improving. They didn't become successful overnight. They stayed curious and kept moving forward. Remember, every new word you learn, every book you read, and every skill you practice helps build a better future. Vocabulary. Curious, wanting to learn more. Opportunity. A good chance. Shall improve, to become better. Practice, to do something again and again. Knowledge, information, and understanding. Creative, able to think of new ideas. And goal, something you want to achieve. Progress, moving forward. And challenge, something difficult to overcome. And confidence, belief in yourself. Example sentences. I am curious about different cultures. She practices English every evening, and we improve by learning every day. Reading books increases our knowledge. That every challenge teaches us something new, and small progress leads to big success. And confidence grows with practice. My goal is to speak English fluently. Grammar. Simple present tense. We use the simple present to talk about habits and facts. Examples. I read every day. He studies English. Then they ask many questions. She enjoys learning. And we practice together. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I stay curious. I learn every day. I never stop improving. And every challenge helps me grow. My future starts today. Life challenge. Today, learn 5 new English words and use each in a sentence. Small actions every day create big results. Ending. Thank you for learning with Learn and Live. Keep learning, keep growing, and stay curious. Each sentence can be long if the input requires it, but must not exceed 30 words. If a sentence is longer, split it into 2 or more natural sentences without altering the content.